Hey guys, Jordan with nuCamp here. Today we're going to be going over how to use your digital entry keypad.
On the outside of your keypad, you'll see 5 buttons, each containing 2 numbers, 1 through 9 plus 0. On the inside of the door, there's a handle, deadbolt, emergency release, and a low battery indicator light. Your factory code is printed on both the handle and the purple tag. If you forget your PIN, the factory code allows you to still unlock your unit or reset the PIN. To wake up the keypad, press any button. The numbers will light up and you can enter your code. The factory default code is 1234. To lock the door, press and hold the first 2 buttons. To change your PIN, press and hold the last button that has a 9 and 0. You will hear 2 beeps. Then enter the factory default PIN or your current PIN. You'll hear 2 more beeps. Next, enter your new PIN. For this demonstration, we're using 4 zeros. Enter the new PIN one more time. After the 3-tone beep, your new PIN is set.
Thanks for watching. If you do have any further questions, you can reach out to us by email at tech@nucamprv.com.